ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, તમને ઇંગ્લિશ બોલતી વખતે આ વર્ડ્સ વારંવાર સાંભળવા મળે છે. કેન, કુડ, મે, માઇટ, શેલ, વિલ, શુડ, વુડ, મસ્ટ, ઓટ ટુ. બટ એક્ઝેક્ટલી યુઝ ક્યાં થાય એ સમજાતું નથી. કેનનો યુઝ કેવી રીતે કરવો, મસ્ટનો યુઝ કેવી રીતે કરવો, શુડનો યુઝ કેવી રીતે કરાય. હેલો એવરીવન, ધીસ ઇઝ પ્રજ્ઞા પટેલ એન્ડ વેલકમ બેક ટુ યોર ફેવરેટ ચેનલ ઇઝી સ્પીક ઇંગ્લિશ. આજે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામરનો એક મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટોપિક શીખવાના છીએ, મોડલ વર્બ્સ. આ ટોપિક સ્પોકન ઇંગ્લિશ, કોમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામ્સ, રાઇટિંગ સ્કિલ્સ અને ડેઇલી કોન્વર્સેશન માટે ખૂબ જ સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ છે. આજે આપણે મોડલ વર્બ્સને બેઝિકથી એડવાન્સ લેવલ સુધી માસ્ટર કરીશું. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ મોડલ વર્બ્સ માસ્ટર ક્લાસ. ફર્સ્ટ વી સી what are modal verbs. Definition of modal verbs. Modal verbs are special helping verbs used alongside main verbs to express ability, possibility, permission, advice, necessity. Modal verbs main verbs ने extra support करे छे. They set mood or tone of a sentence without change the core action. Now golden rule of modal verbs. Formula: modal verb plus base form. Modal verb always V1 form સાથે જ આવે. Examples: I can swim, you should study, we must work hard. Now let me explain the most common modal verbs and how to use them. Let's see. First one, can. Can for ability, possibility and permission. Examples: I can speak English, she can drive a car, can I come in, it can rain today. Next one is could. Could for past ability, polite request and possibility. Examples: I could swim when I was 10. It could be true. Could you help me? Now let's compare can and could. Can informal છે અને could polite અને formal છે. Next one is may. May for permission, possibility. Examples: May I come in? It may rain tomorrow. Next one is might. Might for big possibility. Examples: She might come today. It might rain tomorrow. Now let's compare may and might. May for higher chance, might for lower chance. Next one is shall. Shall for suggestion, offer, surety. Examples: Shall we start? Shall I help you? Now should. Should for advice, recommendation. Examples: You should exercise daily. We should respect our parents. Next one is will. Will for future, promise, decision. Examples: I will call you. We will win. I will help you. Next one is would. Would for polite request, preference, imaginary situation. Examples: Would you help me? I would rather stay home. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Now is it right for will and would? Will for real future and would for polite imaginary. Next one, must. Must for strong necessity, compulsion, obligation. Examples: You must wear a helmet. Students must follow rules. And last one is ought to. Ought to for moral duty, advise. Examples: we ought to help others. We ought to respect others. Now let's compare should and must. Should for advice, you should study. Must for compulsion, obligation, you must study. Now let me explain exam favorite model verbs. First one, must have, for strong possibility. Example: he must have forgotten. Next one, should have, regret, पछतावा. Example: you should have called me. Next one is could have. Could have for past ability. Example: she could have been. Now last one is would have. Would have for past imaginary, hypothetical situation. Example: I would have helped you. Now let's fix some common mistakes that made by students and beginners. First one, she can sing. No, she can sing. Modal verb plus base verb. Next one, you must to study. No, you must study. Modal verb plus base verb. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન્સ, આજે તમે મોડલ વર્બ્સનો કમ્પ્લીટ કોર્સ માસ્ટર કરી લીધું. હવે તમે કોન્ફિડન્ટલી યુઝ કરી શકશો. એન્ડ રિમેમ્બર, ગ્રામરનો ગોલ રૂલ્સ યાદ રાખવાનો નથી. ગ્રામરનો ગોલ છે ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવાનું. સો પ્રેક્ટિસ ડેઇલી એન્ડ યુઝ મોડલ વર્બ્સ ઇન યોર ડેઇલી કન્વર્સેશન. રાઇટ ઇન કોમેન્ટ મોડલ વર્બ્સ ક્લિયર. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.